Recording?
Hit the red button, yeah.
You want me to taste that?
Yeah.
You said it's the hottest one?
No, it's not the hottest. It's like literally there's hot and then there's that one. So it's not even close to the hottest one.
Good morning.
The one that's already.
Ooh.
Go ahead.
Taste it.
That smell hot.
Oh, that's a big ass bite. Go ahead.
Did it? Is it from the mouth? Did y'all know what it was? What is it?
Just bite it.
Yeah, eat it.
No.
Eat it, James.
Eat it.
No. Oh my god.
Don't put the whole thing in your mouth.
No, put the
Literally take.
Just finish that.
Take
finish
a-
that tender.
I'm not finished.
Like, I ate most of it.
Don't get it on your lip. Do not get it on your lip.
But get her.
Alright. It look like.
That's all. That's how it was at first. And then you a little more, it's like,
I'm trying to do
You didn't even get that shit out your mouth.
Get a little.
Bro, no, the longer it's in the mouth, the worse it's gonna be.
Eat this.
Ooh, hell no.
Eat it.
Swallow
It's a chicken.
It's good.
My stomach hurt.
Get into the bathroom or something?
Huh?
What the fuck?
Look at
He probably was done. He's like, I need some more water.
Really?
You don't know what to do.
Nah, that shit really hot though. My eyes are chilly. I'm sweating. God, what's that? You can't just say that scream?
No, that's literally the second hottest
What's the
one.
name of it? YouTube.
It's called Damn Hot.
Damn Hot, and y'all went to go do it.
That shit.
My neck is.
No, there's literally like more levels. Like that is like
Like,
only
that's just the lowest.
that's oh yes, that's like the second from the lowest.
What's the lowest?
Exactly. Yeah, from
Second highest.
I mean as far as the hot ones go, because it's like hot. It's called Hot, Damn Hot, and then there's two more.
No, it's just one.
Let's go try this place. Damn hot.
He said, "Let's go try this place." You
That's what
just did.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what y'all said when y'all roll back. Let's try it.
No, it's called Hattie's something.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Damn, that shit's still burning.
I can't feel my tongue. I cannot feel my tongue.
We need some milk. That's what we need. How the fuck you gonna eat a whole plate of that?
Right.
Leave that alone.
I don't know what the fuck to do with it. Liv not gonna eat that shit.
It's spicy?
Yeah.
I don't like spicy stuff.
Oh, your ass would be pissed.
You ain't another bathroom?
What is this other stuff y'all got?
Waffles, chicken.
Oh, that's regular chicken.
Yeah.
How's the
and then-
macaroni?
It's good.
Let me see.
What are you doing?
This young man. I just need my juice. Alright.
My juice too. I'm about to go to Popeyes.
Popeyes is probably long too, like Wendy's. I ain't gonna sell it for
Yeah, good.
Okay, so you can make the reservation for 9 there. Or earlier than that now. Or earlier than that now. So you gotta know. Go ahead. I thought you were going to Escobar. Who's yours? I don't know what that is. I don't know. Chris said.
What you talking about? What you talking about?
Your juice, your dollar dough.
No, the cup. 2 cups.
Oh, you didn't take that too. Yeah, y'all want y'all chips and stuff?
Ooh.
Here.
Don't mind the sandals.
I'm not wearing these. Bitch, fucked up my damn.
Don't cuss her out.
Sorry.
Man. You feel me?
How this lady, huh? How this lady, hold on now, let me fix the camera because James ain't put this. How this lady gonna give me a size 6.5 sandal and a 7.5 sandal? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to fix this. There we go. How she gonna give me a 6.5 shoe and a 7.5 shoe? James talking about, well, you should have looked. That ain't my job. Is it not? That ain't my job, right?
She should have looked.
Yeah, she should have looked. Yeah, sure should have.
Like you naked, you got your shoulders on.
Right? I'm not naked, y'all. I promise I'm not. Hey. Shirt on. Got my shirt on. Got my shirt on.
Day after.
I got my
Sunday.
shirt on.
Man, how the fuck we get out?
How you got out last time? Like that? There you go, honey. See? Look at you. There you go. There you go. There you go. He getting all frustrated for nothing. I need to put it on my map.
I gotta take a shit.
You gotta take a shit.
What's good with it? Everybody's doing good with it.
What's good, JJ Gang?
It's your boy
And
James.
it's your girl, Jaya.
Back again with another video, you feel me? Back at ATL.
Today is Sunday.
Still in ATL, still in ATL.
Listen, last night
It
was
was crazy.
crazy.
It got wild. Well,
I had fun. I got
lit.
wild.
It wasn't dangerous. It was a good night.
It was a good night.
It was a good
Go
night.
straight. Go straight.
If you don't got none of our Snapchat stories, then
Yeah, I
you
ain't
missed out.
gonna- yeah, you missed out.
You ain't gonna see it. We not posting it.
Great. We're not posting it on YouTube. That's the name for YouTube.
Just follow us Snapchat to see our other videos. You feel me?
Yeah,
But yeah, that was a good night.
I had fun.
Good birthday. Happy 21st birthday.
Okay.
You feel me?
21.
Make memories. But we was gonna go to Six Flags today, but we were like, nah.
Nah, we just gonna chill.
We just came from we just did one like 2 weeks ago. We just went to Kerwin.
Yeah.
We don't go to Six Flags.
We gonna just chill out in the house because I still got a headache.
We gonna chill in the house, make a couple videos for you guys, you feel me?
Eat. Make it right here. Eat some food.
Eat some dinner.
Play some games. You know, make some videos. Whatever.
You feel me?
All that good stuff.
So y'all can have fun. So y'all can have fun too with us.
Yeah.
Feel me? We're still lit all weekend. But anyway,
Baby, it's
but I come in 2 nights.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Go on that one. I hate this side. Oh. These roads down here is ridiculous. Can you stop saying you got a shit on camera, please?
Alright, yeah.
No, put it in there so they can know. I looked like a baby last night in a grown woman body.
Nah, you were fine.
I didn't get no
Didn't take
pictures.
no pictures like that.
Listen, that's how crazy it was. We didn't get no pictures.
Ain't take none of our outfit.
It's alright. It's alright. Just got a couple videos. It's okay.
We'll take pictures of our outfits today, you feel me?
Yeah. Post it on Instagram. Make sure y'all go like them. If y'all don't already follow our social media, follow them.
Bro, Atlanta is big. Atlanta's packed. There's a lot of people down here.
Too much traffic.
Too much traffic. We was in Wendy's for like 30 minutes. Wendy's. Wendy's for like about 34 minutes.
I need to leave this furnace. That still didn't work.
It's a big old city. She talking about moving down here. And I'm like, I ain't up moving to Atlanta. I don't know.
It's nice down here, but the traffic is just what's gonna kill us.
It's probably overpopulated.
I ain't really gonna want y'all down here.
We ain't used to the city like that.
Like this.
Country.
Charlotte and Atlanta is totally different.
What was that? What little city?
Yeah, but traffic down here versus Charlotte and versus where we at now.
It's crazy.
It's totally different.
Yes, sir.
Totally. Watch out. What I was about to say.
Linux big as hell.
Linux is big. We didn't even get to rock around the whole thing because we was already running late.
Took too long in the mall. Walmart even did it.
Damn, sure is. At a whole parking deck.
Whole parking deck. Like a mall.
Yeah.
Walmart. So far we having a good time in Atlanta. People nice.
They ain't that nice, but they nice.
Nah, they had a little
attitudes.
Still nice, but some of them.
Ooh, yo.
I know.
I thought he's finna go across the street.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. They do that down here now.
Right.
be walking for the people's cars when they go.
Yeah. But y'all go ahead and like this video, you feel me? Like this video, subscribe. Turn that post notification on, you feel me?
All that good stuff.
Give some likes. Hit the like. You feel me? Got more videos coming up. Some more squad videos. Comment some squad videos ideas or something. Suggestions, like
Group
I said.
videos, suggestions.
Yeah, group videos.
Some videos from us. Y'all need to tell us some videos.
Like,
Tell us videos that y'all want to see.
What y'all want to see from us.
So we can know what y'all want to see.
We want to be on a good schedule, like post 3 days out the week.
We just want to know what y'all want to see.
I got
what y'all want
videos, but
from
I
us.
want to know
What y'all like. And what y'all
want to see from us.
I know y'all want to see more videos of the babies. That's going to be coming.
Y'all come to our inboxes separately or something. Tell us.
Or just comment down below in the comments. I mean,
we'll shout you out and everything.
oh, babe, it's right there. Dang, not even looking. That's a left. Yeah, but you in a straight lane. Is somebody over there?
Nah, I'm good.
Yeah, you just get over there when the light turn green.
But yeah, we'll just shout you out. You feel me? For the idea.
I need to get my nails done. My nails look like a little boy. I haven't had my nails done in months.
No little boy.
I do look like a little boy.
When we're done, the up heroes or back in Fayetteville. Well, down. I'll say the city.
It don't matter.
Well, here or back at home. I don't know.
Left. Alright, y'all. I'm finna go change out my shoe.
But I'm finna go change out the flip flops you messed up.
She gave me a 6.5 and a damn 7.5 shoe.
Like, oh my
What
God.
kind of mess is that?
I'm glad we're 15 minutes down.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to go in here and change this shoe out, and then I'll see y'all when we
see y'all.
get back to the house. Yeah, when we
see y'all.
Yep, pretty much.
Alright, guys.
Alright.
Peace.